This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Getting a sty in your eye could be really painful. It makes it hard to drive too, and if you're like me and at least 1,500 other GoTranscript workers, we really need to get out and put the pedal to the metal once in a while. Let me tell you, transcription ain't easy. I've had this sty for a couple of Transcription ain't easy. I've had this sty for a couple of days now, and it really makes it hard for me to do my work. Staring at a screen for hours at a time can make eye irritations even worse. The best thing to do is lie down and put a warm compress over your eye, but who has time for that? I'm also having trouble with my second job, helping out at the Friendly Barn up in Acton, California. I'm supposed to slop the rescue hogs in their sty, which is hard when you've already got a sty. It's fun though, and helps relieve stress. I've given them a lot of names, but the proprietors asked me to change some of them. For some reason, they didn't approve of andouille and ham. Another thing a lot of us do to relieve stress is garden. My neighbors invested in some chickens so we can get some fresh eggs. And the eggshells are really useful mixed in with my compost. Coffee grounds are good for that too. My neighbors got all their materials as well as their baby chickens from the local feed store and brought everything home in their Berlinetta. I bet those hens were glad to get out of the coop on wheels and into the coop in the yard. Some things we were considering for our shared garden space were rice and black walnuts. However, we decided against them because of their allelopathic qualities. I spent $500,000 on a landscaping consultant, but he turned out to be this sweet old dude in his late 90s who was definitely stuck in the early 50s as far as any new ideas were concerned. Plus, on his business card, he said his number was 212-664-4678, which I, as a Ghostbusters fan, immediately recognized as being from the classic novel Ghostbusters Supernatural Spectacular, first published in 1985 and only available in mass market paperback, which of course I've got. Back to the garden. We decided to plant a bunch of cleistogamous flowers, but made sure to cover every seedling with a cloche. Since cloches are made with chicken wire, that was an easy decision since the hens didn't seem to mind losing some of their protection, at least not till the coyote showed up, but I'll tell you all about that in the next test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.